My name is Ryan Lord, and I am a training coordinator here on the tech training team at Keller Williams. So these last few videos, we've really talked about building and maintaining a database and automating some of those things in between. But if I told you that you could easily generate your very first lead or even close a deal with someone that you're already connected with at this very moment, would you believe me? Did you know that 6% of people will buy or sell each year? Which means if you have 100 connections on your Facebook right now, that means 6 of them are going to buy or sell, and we want those deals to be with you. So let's take a look today at how alerting people that you're already connected with is going to get you closer to doing a transaction with that 6%. The purpose of a social post is to connect with your SOI. That's your sphere of influence. People that you already know and already know about you and your business. So these could be things like celebrating a holiday or a happy birthday post for a client, a home anniversary for a buyer transaction you had in the past. So many more options. And this can be very beneficial, especially for those of you that are new to real estate. You can use social posts to spread awareness to your sphere and just let people know that you're new to Keller Williams and you've got a business to run. Remember, when we talked about our iPhone being our data bank, social posts are essentially the same thing for social media. So let's take a look today at how we can maintain a social post calendar using Command. I'm in the Campaigns applet, which is the megaphone icon. So I've clicked that and navigated to the tab at the top for social posts. And you'll see here that it is arranged as a calendar. That is because I have the ability from within Command to schedule out posts on any of my connected Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter accounts for up to 12 months in advance. So if that seems overwhelming, don't worry. You can break it into bite-sized weeks. And there are even what we call quick posts here that allow you to use pre-generated content by our marketing team. If you have no idea where to start or how to start engaging your sphere through social media, these provide some great examples for you to utilize. So I can shuffle these and I'll see here, there's a great one about leads for less. Pre-made template, all I have to do is click on it here and then I can immediately post that to my social media. So I can schedule this for any accounts that I have connected. I've got my Facebook page here. There's content available, beautiful media that's created using that designs applet, and I can even include legal compliance aspects such as a DBA logo or my ownership statement if that's a requirement for my locale. So once that is all done, I can either schedule this post up to 12 months out, or I can publish it immediately and have that pushed out to my social media right now. So that's a great example of what you can do here from within Command with the quick posts. There are also quick post videos, so you can click on the video campaigns and generate a video for your neighborhood. So let's say I'm doing my business in Crestview, Austin. Type that in here. The neighborhood comes right up, powered by Nextdoor, and selecting that will then pre-generate for me within Command information hyper-local to my neighborhood about the average home price, the average price per square foot, the number of homes for sale, average days on market. And all of this really valuable information can then be communicated to my clients and my sphere of influence through my social media channels. So that's a fantastic tool to utilize if you're looking for ideas to get started. But let's say I want to utilize a design that I've just created from my last video where I created a new design about joining Keller Williams and being a new agent. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Campaign, and I'm creating a new social post. So I'll see a similar screen to what was available in the quick post. Just now I have the option of building it out from scratch. So let's say I've got some text that I want to go ahead and utilize here. So just saying that I'm with the KW family now, and I'm excited to help you with your next purchase or sale with my contact information. And clicking on the Add Media button will then allow me to browse my designs that I've created here in Command. So I can then bring that into my social post and very easily and quickly connect those dots. So now I've got a great piece of media to post on my social channels, and it was just as simple as a few clicks. So all that done, I can preview exactly what this is going to look like on Facebook here on the right-hand side. And now I know that my content looks great. It says what I want it to say, and I can either schedule this post for the future or choose to publish this immediately to my social media channels. That is just a little taste of what's available for you within the Campaigns applet through social posting. So if you have any questions about this feature and functionality, please do email our team at learncommand@kw.com. And now you have the tools to engage your sphere through social media. But what about generating leads through social media? In our next video, we're going to take you through training on proven methods that have generated thousands of leads for thousands of agents. So you definitely don't want to miss it. See you on the next video.